captain of the WMU hockey team will serve no jail time despite being accused and charged with rape last year. News Channel 3's Mike Kravsik is back from court with reaction from this afternoon's sentencing. Mike.
Yeah, Erica, and as part of this plea agreement, the case was sealed for offenders younger than 26. In August, a deal was struck where the 23-year-old would be sentenced to 2 years probation, and with good behavior, he could get off that sentence even sooner. Paul Washe said nothing while walking into this afternoon's sentencing behind closed doors. His accuser was there with her family. The victim, who was 18 at the time, says Washe led her into the basement of a house where hockey players live during a party. That's where she says Washe raped her in December 2021. Following the incident, he was initially suspended from the team before he was kicked off. Washe was charged with 2 counts of third-degree sexual assault earlier this year.
I would never say that it was consensual.
In May, a judge ruled there was enough evidence to go to trial. The victim gave her account at that hearing.
I asked him what we were doing down here, and then he led me into the back corner, which was the back of an HVAC system.
Instead of sexual assault, Washe pleaded guilty to a charge of seduction, a state law from 1931, calling it a crime to seduce an unmarried woman. After he was initially charged, Washe maintained the contact was consensual.
Do you still stand behind those claims?
Got nothing to say, sir.
This is the second time Washe's been accused of sexual assault. WMU found he violated the school's code of conduct for allegations of inappropriate sexual contact with another student in 2017. There were no criminal charges in that case. Washe was allowed to remain on the team. According to school records, he was required to write a 3-page paper as discipline. Yeah, in the victim in that case, her mother, Jody Labate, says in a statement, quote, "It looks now that this outcome is another slap on the wrist for the assailant, as it was in the case of our daughter at WMU. These series of disappointing events are why women don't come forward." Meanwhile, Washe's attorney outside of court today says the terms of today's sentencing were confidential, and we have not been able to reach anyone at the prosecutor's office for comment. Live in the studio, Mike Kravsik, News Channel 3.